Hey, welcome you all. Today we are going to see about representational state transfer, just REST API. So before planning about REST API, first we have to know about API. So as we are communicating here, I am as a presenter, you are communicating with the language English. So likewise, the computer needs to be communicated. So it should follow a specific set of protocols to communicate between them. So there where API comes in. So there are a lot of APIs that computers use to communicate, but the one of the most popular one is REST API. So let me see what is REST API. So REST API follows HTTP methods: get, post, put, patch, delete. So get is for getting the details of a user. Post is for creating a new user. Put is for updating completely the data of the user. Patch is for updating slightly small amount of data. Delete is for deleting the user. So as it follows HTTP methods, each request is stateless. That means no each request has its own context. That means it can't refer to the previous request or the upcoming request. So each has its own context, and each request is unique. So the server has to have to remember what the data is sent on the previous request. So it has to be handled explicitly in REST API. So the popular status codes in REST API are 200, request is successful, 2 and created. If something is created, 200 is shown, and if something is successful, for example, let me edit it here. If the request is successful, for example, if you are fetching a user, so there it is successful but not creating anything. So that is true, 201. So 204, request is successful and no content. So that means you are sending a request, but it is not returning any content. Can you think of any request like that? Obviously, it's a delete request. So there it didn't return any data. 400, bad request. So you are requesting a bad service from the server. 401, unauthorized. That means you are not authenticated to log into the application. 403, forbidden. You are not authorized to access the application, but you are authenticated. 404, not found. You are accessing the resource that is no longer being used, or it is never existed. 500, internal server error. The server error can be anything. It can be a database failure, it can be a crash, can be anything. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This, I think it give you a great idea about REST APIs. So I'm looking forward to post new videos. So you can ask in the comment box if you have any doubts, and if I want to correct anything, you can come and tell me in the comment box. Thank you.